Hello guys, welcome to Raza Learning Hub. In this video we can find the value of this expression, which is 8 divided by 4 parenthesis 1 plus 1. So how can we find the value of this expression? If you are genius, then before watching the video comment of this question, but if you are student and do not know about this type of expression, thus how can we solve this, then I can solve this step by step. So our solution is, guys, in PEMDAS parentheses have higher priority than other operations. So firstly we can solve parentheses. 8 divided by 4 parentheses 2. Now guys, here 4 divided by 8 is the 2 time 2, because multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to from left to right. Now 2 times 2, which is equal to 4. Guys, this is the final answer of this expression. If anywhere you can face an issue, then comment. I will reply your question. Thanks a lot. Allah Hafiz.